Hey guys, so I have been asked to do a quick little video on how to get that crimped style of hair. I know a lot of girls use that like 3-barrel iron, but I don't have one, so I kind of do my own little trick. So I'll go through really quick how I do it, and then hopefully this will help you out a little. So I usually start with straight hair because I have really curly, like frizzy hair. So in the morning I will straighten it and then I will crimp it, so it's kind of a long process, but it's usually worth it. So like I said, I start with the straight hair and then I'll part it in 2 big chunks like this, and then start with the back. Hopefully you can see. And then I'll take a straightener and then you just go forwards and backwards, and backwards, and you just keep doing that. And it gives you a little kind of boho wave, which I love. I don't do it very often because like I said, it takes me a while. So just forward. And then I take it all the way down to the bottom because I don't want that kind of sticky straight end. And then this is our work straightener. I have one at home that I really like, so when this gets posted I will link that in the comments because it's my favorite. I think it's Aria brand. I could be wrong, but I think that's what it is. So good, just forward. And then sometimes some pieces don't go as well, but I'll just go back through and kind of pick up the ones that I didn't get very well. And I feel like the harder you move your iron back and forth, the more wave you're gonna get. Okay, one side's done. Brush it. So we just got this texture spray here. We're big fans of texture spray, especially because I don't like the feeling of hairspray, so I love a texture spray. And I don't know if Steph got us this or what, but this Matrix Texture Builder Messy Finish Spray is so good. If you don't like the feeling of hairspray either, this is really good to give you some volume, so I will usually just spray that in my roots. Just give you a little. Okay, so there you go, easy peasy. I feel like it would be easier if you did have like a crimping iron, but I don't do it often enough to buy one. But if you did have one, that would be easier, I feel like. But if you have a straightener, you can do it as well. So I hope you ladies like this. If you have any questions, feel free to message me. See ya.